Okay, I'm gonna show you how this ratchet set really works. As you can see right here, this is spring loaded. And you see how it's locked into those teeth. So you have to push this in. If you don't, you see how that ratchets? So if I wanna straighten this all the way out and to loosen this up, I push this in and go straight. You notice that this will free turn either direction. If I go a little bit, push it in, and lock it in, it ratchets. And you see this is over right here. So this is furthest it'll go. So if I wanna unlock it, I got to push this in, and you're gonna notice this oval part is gonna keep going, and it's gonna unlock it right here also. As you can see, push it, and now this will free turn. So let's put the other end on. I'm gonna show you how that works. So what you wanna do is get this all the way in like this. And you wanna take the other end of this strap right here. This is a shorter piece. And you can cut it to what size you want. If you're gonna be using it just for small stuff or you need a longer one, you can extend it. So you just take this and you put it in right here and bring it in about that much right there, and you start the ratchet process. See how I'm doing the ratchet process? And you can keep going. And what I do, I just hook it on the end of something right there. You see I got it on that hook, and I just go ahead and do the ratchet so I can keep everything straight. See how I'm doing? Going in, it's going in. So, and you want to keep that as straight as you can. You don't want it to go off to one side like that, just keep it straight. So we're gonna go in, keep going in. And when you get ready, you see how I kind of went off a little bit? You don't want to do that, just straighten that up and keep it straight. And say I want to release that. So only thing you do is come right here and you push this in. You remember how I did before? Push it in and make sure it's all the way straight as it can, and it'll come right off. Then you lock it into place again, pull that, lock it, it won't go. See how I'm jerking on that? It won't go. Sometimes if these things get old, it's very difficult to pull them out. Even when you push this spring in and extend it, it still won't come off. I'm gonna give you an example of one I have on my buggy that I use. It's about 3-4 years. I never extended it, but you see how I got this extended and it just come right off. So let's look at the buggy part, the one I have right here. And this right here, I use it, and it's a small one where I ratchet my buggy down. If I want to take this off, what I do, I hit this spring right here. I push it in and I pull this down, and I pull it, push it in, pull it all the way down, and I push in to loosen that up. You see I got it extended all the way right there, and it's still, I'm pulling on it, it's kind of hard because I haven't taken this off in forever. So you get one like that, you may have to jerk on it, make sure that this is extended as far as you can, and you see it's coming out. And if I keep pulling, it'll come all the way out. So that's how I get more extension. And when I want to ratchet this up, I just push this in, go all the way, and I start the ratchet process. And like I said, I cut this one to length because I ain't want all that in there. Because you can go too far up to where this thing push, and it'll be very difficult to get your to get this out. So I just cut it the length I want. I ratchet my side by side down, and I push this all the way up. There we go. It ain't gonna come loose. And like I said, to take it off, You push this in and you extend this all the way down to almost 90 or till you hear it break a loose. Watch, you ready? See how that broke a loose? Once it broke a loose, I can push it like that and take this off. Put it back on, just hit that button and just ratchet. And that's how easy it is to use a ratchet set to strap things down.